Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable school, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export or download your contacts from your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your contacts from Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider, and you want to make sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to download your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on users. It looks like two little people. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a long list of your students. So before we go any further, I want to let you know, if you're going to downloading or exporting your lead, you're going to need to click over here on the left side, but you can do this for the leads and for your students. Also, another thing I want to let you know is that they do recommend you're exporting less than 5,000 contacts. So in order to do that, you're going to want to filter down right here. If you have more than 5,000, you're going to want to do this in batches. And in order to download your list, click on Export CSV here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. They let you know that the download or the export is going to go to your email address that's associated with your Teachable account right here. Also, once again, they do let you know it should be 5,000 rows of data. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on this export button right here. Okay, every time that I've downloaded, I usually get the email within a few minutes. Again, if you're exporting a huge list, it could take longer. And then up here on the top left, go ahead and click on leads. Okay, once you're here in leads, you're going to do the same thing. Click on export CSV. Now, let me go ahead and open up my email and show you what the download looks like. Okay, so here is what the CSV file looks like. So you can see the full name and the email right here. And they also include all this extra information. So billing address line, city, just a lot of different data that you would have in your Teachable account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts from your Teachable school, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.